Hi everyone, and welcome back to House Clear. Today I want to show you a small gadget that I've been using lately and honestly, it surprised me. This is the Dododo Mini Vacuum Cleaner. When I first saw it, I thought there was no way such a tiny vacuum could actually have decent suction. But after using it for a few days, I realized I had underestimated it. So today, instead of just talking about it, let's put it to the test together. I'm going to start by scattering some pumpkin seeds across the table. They're much larger than normal dust, so they're a good way to see how powerful this little vacuum really is. Let's see what happens. As you can see, it picks them up without much effort. Even the smaller crumbs disappear in a single pass. I don't have to keep going over the same spot again and again, which is something I really appreciate. After using it for a while, I think the biggest advantage is its size. It's small enough to grab anytime you need it, but still powerful enough for everyday cleaning. Of course, it's not meant to replace a full-size vacuum cleaner, but for quick cleanups around the house, it's incredibly convenient. The package also comes with several useful accessories. There's a flexible extension hose that makes it much easier to reach deep or awkward spaces. You also get different cleaning attachments, including a narrow crevice tool for tight gaps and a brush attachment that's perfect for delicate surfaces. Swapping between them only takes a few seconds, so you can easily choose the right tool for each job. One place where I use this vacuum the most is around my desk. Dust loves to collect between keyboard keys, around the monitor, and in all those little corners that are difficult to wipe clean. With the right attachment, cleaning those areas becomes quick and easy. It removes dust without making a mess, and I don't have to spend time picking everything out by hand anymore. I've also used it on bookshelves, drawers, window tracks, cabinets, and even inside my car. Because it's lightweight and cordless, I can carry it anywhere without feeling like it's a chore. Whenever I notice a little dust, I simply grab it, clean the area in a minute or two, and put it back. Cleaning the dust container afterward is just as simple. Twist it open, empty the dust, and it's ready for the next use. The whole process only takes a few moments. Overall, I think the Dododo Mini Vacuum is a great little helper for everyday cleaning. It's compact, lightweight, easy to use, and the suction power is honestly better than I expected for a vacuum this size. If you're looking for something to keep your desk, keyboard, car, or those hard-to-reach corners clean without dragging out a large vacuum every time, this is definitely worth considering. I hope this real-life test gives you a better idea of what it can do. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoy honest product reviews and practical cleaning tips, don't forget to subscribe to House Clear. I'll see you in the next video.